Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 1. Ac primum silicis gelantem excudit cetis, sucepit quignam foliis atque arda circum, nutrimenta dedes rapuit quin formite flammam, tum cererem corruptundis cerealiaque arma, expedium feci rerum frugesque receptas, et torere parant flammis et frangere saxo. And first Aeneid struck out a flame from the flint. Yes, and first Aeneid struck out a flame from the flint. This passage seems to be full of mouthfuls, just get ready. And he snatched up a fire with leaves. He snatched up a fire with leaves, and he gave dry nutrients around, and he snatched up a flame in the kindling. So these 3 lines are just about Aeneid, the dear companion of Aeneas, starting a fire so that the men can make food for themselves. Then the men, tired of their affairs, feci is an adjective applying with a missing or applying to a missing subject, so just supply men. The tired men, or the men tired of their affairs, prepare cares, or the grain, having been corrupted by the waves, and they prepare the instruments of cares. Now remember Ceres, or Ceres. Remember, think of cereal. Ceres is the goddess of grain and the harvest. So this is actually metonymy because they're just using her name to represent grain. Ceres here is metonymy for grain. And they prepare both to burn up the grain having been received or having been recovered, and they prepare to break them with rocks. And remember, flammis here is ablative of means. They prepare to burn up the grain having been recovered with fires, and they plan to break it with a rock.